Are you upgrading your hard drive or SSD and scared of losing your Windows files or software? What if I told you that you can clone your entire disk in just a few clicks? No reinstall, no data loss. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing EaseUS Disk Copy, lifetime license, currently available on Stack Social at a huge discount. If you're moving from HDD to SSD to NVMe, or replacing a failing hard drive, this tool can literally save your PC. EaseUS Disk Copy is a powerful disk cloning software for Windows. It lets you copy everything from one drive to another. Your Windows OS, programs, files, settings, everything stays exactly the same. Here's why people love EaseUS Disk Copy. One-click disk and partition cloning. Migrate Windows 10 or 11 without reinstalling. Clone HDD to SSD to NVMe, or old PC to new PC. Sector-by-sector cloning, even with bad sectors, guaranteed bootable cloned drive. Works with Windows 11 10 8.7. Supports Samsung WD, Toshiba, NVMe, SATA, M2, and more. Let me give you some real situations where this software is a lifesaver. Your PC is slow. Move Windows from HDD to SSD. Your hard drive is failing. Clone it before it dies. You bought a new PC. Clone old drive and boot instantly. You want a full backup that works immediately. No Windows reinstall. No driver headache. No wasted hours. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. Just 3 steps. Select your source disk. Select your target disk. Click clone. That's it. Most users finish cloning in 30-60 minutes, depending on disk size. Free disk cloning tools often fail to boot, crash on bad sectors, don't support Windows 11 properly. EaseUS Disk Copy is fast, safe, and reliable, and it's trusted by millions of users worldwide. Now here's the best part. On Stack Social, you get EaseUS Disk Copy with a lifetime license only for $29. This deal is limited, and once it's gone, it's gone. Check the link in the description to grab the EaseUS Disk Copy lifetime license at the lowest price. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you're upgrading to SSD or NVMe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next deal review.